ngamakaka somoya ungizwe umlando komculo intombazi emdabalanga zanqoma ngoba zemntana imvuma mvolo evinyo kwasemelika untombazi emdabukelanga inkunzi eveke ngelinde phesha kwezilwandle untuli zaso ngoba zasuka phansi ezurishi saloza nasembambe samtindela kwale seBelgium imina lo inkunzi yokakho khona kwa SABC ku 100k eMusinga Road abanye bedayilela abanye bedayivuke uxoxo sama ithole kona seGauteng injalo nje usithela phezulu kwenyoni kuyobuya kwezemhlabeni ngeke usibambe isenkonkulu sanqasha uye umlando wasemachoneni lo ngiqala nje ngokubongelela lapha ke uDonald Trump eAmerica kunama political organizations awutu ama-Democrats nama-Republicans. Sometimes they share the power in terms of ukuthi mhlawumbe 2 years apart lo munye 2 years apart omunye. Do you remember ukuthi America from Red Indians that were colonizing that country as a United States of America. Yayiphethwe kakhulu ama-Red Indians ngaleso sikhathi esidala ayiqhobala before kuze kusuke idubedube neyidumo la amangisi ngalesikhathi eseyithatha eAmerica abuya azothenga iziqila eCentral part of Africa amazwe angoSenegal namazwe afana noNigeria namazwe afana noSierra Leone namazwe afana no Cote d'Ivoire Ivory Coast ilapho kwathi ngakhola kakhulu iziqila ezayithengwa ukuthi ke ziyolekelela ukwakhiwa kombuso wamamelikana bathi babefika baphendula ubuqili baba ubukhosi lobo buqili baba ubukhosi yilapho kwazalwa khona ama Black Americans la bezokuthiwa ama African Americans uzokhumbula ke ukuthi kuleli sikhuluma ngalo yizwe elakhululwa more than 250 years ago yizwe leli elakwazi ukukhululwa ngaleso sikhathi malikhululwa lelizwe lase United States of America yizwe leli umongameli waloqala uGeorge Washington uGeorge Washington uyena mongameli owakwazi ukuthi akakhulule iUSA ibe yizwe elizimele ihlanganisa ama state ahlukahlukene awu 52 states in the United States of America. Do you remember ukuthi some of the people who have traveled the world like myself angiphethe pen angiphethe paper anginjani ngiyimi nje ngikhuluma lento ngokuyazi from the heart and from the knowledge and from the wisdom and from the education wena ubona isiphupho umsunwe nja mina ngungizwe mina ngungizwe ngiyazi ngikhulumayo manje ke emveni kokuthi ke iAmerica ikwazi ukuthi ibaphathwe uGeorge Washington the first president. Do you remember ukuthi ekudluleni kwakhe emhlabeni wakwazi ukuthi abe umongameli ohlonishwa ngayo inhlokodolobha yakhona iWashington DC la kune Pentagon eseWashington la kune White House khona iWhite House yikomkhulu lase United States of America where nobody can just jump in and do anything as how it pleased. You know that USA got the #1 army in the whole world and it is the biggest economy of the whole globe. Yizwe futhi leliphethwe amangisi alinganiselwa ku 380 million bese kuthi ke abantu abamnyama bebe 80 million. So remember ukuthi ke basibala labo ke abantu bayagcina begcina abantu base USA beya lapha ko 500 million abantu yabakuleli yazwe lase USA. USA within USA ukwazi ukuthi utravel within USA 2 days utravela nje ulale kwenye airport usuke kwenye airport even ama time zone akhona awafani. That is USA. Iphathiwe ke ama-Democrats yaphathwa ama-Republicans. And then those are the political organizations that have existed for a very long time in the USA. And then uzokhumbula ukuthi ekuphathweni kwayo ke USA ama-Republicans kanye nama-Democrats yizwe leli elikwazi ukuthi lezi siqiniseko sokuthi liyayimukela futhi ihlobo zomhlaba wonke jikelele okuhlanganisa nathi uqobo. kodwa umqopho umlando walo uqala ngqa uthinta umuntu omnyama. Abantu abamnyama eAmerica they are almost 80 million. And then angikhulumi mina ngama foreigners, ngikhuluma ngabantu abazalule khona ama-African Americans ezaphendula ubuqili baba bukhosi la kwazalwa khona uBeyonce, Jay-Z, Mark Tyson, Robert Kelly, Puff Daddy. Bonke they are the generational of people who were brought from African continent and to be a slave in the United States of America. If you remember ingoma at the USA for Africa, ingoma le eyakwazi ukuthi kube ingoma eyabonembeza kakhulu in the history of the world, where the all artists kusuka lokho Michael Jackson kwazi ukuthi USA for Africa iyona ngoma lena yakwazi ukuthi kube ingoma abakwazi ukuhlangana bengama African Americans, because there was a debate between themselves as well as the colonizers of themselves. Ukuthi should we call ourselves African Americans or should we call ourselves Black Americans? And then you find out ukuthi those people, they prefer themselves to call African Americans, because being a Black American, it means more colony on yourself. To remember ukuthi emlando, ladies and gentlemen, across the globe, abafana nani laba ngiyaphila mlaza komasho wekawini ngiyaphila sawethu Kakalotumo, ngiyabonga Mdantsane, thank you very much. This is your boy. Boy for what? Nonsense. You are on a stage. You're supposed to make sure that you influence and you get the audience the whole globe. But now you are limiting yourself. Then you are expecting your ancestors to take you globally. That's nonsense. You yourself, you don't even believe that you are globally. You're stupid. Zinja, some artist. Mkotoi. Anazi luto nini. Ziyakhala manje. Donald Trump nganda wethu ngiyambongela kakhulu. Although bengamsupport, kodwa ngoba iAmerica in a smooth transit where omunye umongameli ekwazi ukuthatha omunye umongameli neliqembu lithathe umbuso ngaphandle kwenkinga. Hayi lenhlanganisela esiyibona la. Lapha na ke kusinkulu. So ngiyakubongela kakhulu Donald Trump ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubuye, and I know that ukuthi during your times you never change a lot of things, and thank you very much for a South African born worldwide businessman Elon Musk. Today they were launching AX to a space to the world, to space lapana. Elon Musk uyazi ukuthi umuntu othanda kakhulu ukuthi kube khona umunye umhlaba ngaphezulu lomhlaba esikuwona, kube khona abanye abantu ngaphezulu labantu esikubona. Yingakho introduce ama robot nje azokwazi ukuthi abengxenye yomhlaba. And he's the #1 businessman in the world, and he was born in South Africa. South African people, you are lucky enough to have a person ukuthi oyisende elazalwa la eNingizimu Afrika to be the #1 businessman in the whole globe. You should yourself as well give the huge round of applause. And if you are smart enough, you can see it coming that Elon Musk is the next president of the United States of America after Donald Trump. There is no doubt about that. Can you give them a huge round of applause? And you have been given the task, which is very important in the government of the United States of America, to be in the department of making sure that the United States of America government is efficient enough in terms of economic attractions and economic on the ground. Thank you very much. Ziyakhala manje. Ngizwe umlando womculo lo. Untombi zimdabela ngasanqoma kwasemthanda. Thank you. bethu ayangani babezeli siningizimu Afrika sasempini, and I want to elaborate this step by step without any doubt, without any apologetic expression. Uyangithanda ungithanda, uyangizonda ungizonda, I don't care. Ningangizonda nonke mina ningiyeke nonke mina ngendaba nje. I was born alone in this earth. Ngoba nina you are creating a new culture that does not exist in this world, where you love someone by smiling for bullshit, when you love someone by making sure that person umkhovu, when you love someone but making sure that person is manipulated to bow for a system that does not work. Doesn't work like that. With me, doesn't. Ngangisoze ngafa manje angisoze nje njengamanje straight to our government. Ngizwile umongameli addressa lapha ubaba uCyril Ramaphosa. We respect you enough, the President Cyril Ramaphosa, but I think most of the things you may learn in life is that as the president of the country, as much as you know the majority of the secret of the country, but that does mean that you got enough experience to govern the country. Whereas you are leading the country in a midst of different parties involved in the format of so-called GNU. I cannot tolerate the nonsense that is happening right now in the country. And there's no way that I can ever tolerate that nonsense. Because you got a very history, a fruitful history for knowledge. Fruitful history for knowledge. Ukuthi uma singasathandi singabantu abamnyama sathandi. Uma you are unfair, you are totally unfair. Njengamanje ngikhuluma nje iqiniso lonke leqiniso lodwa. The history that you had, if you can recall yourself in 2021, the biggest disaster that ever happens in the history of our country, where there was a looting and the unrest. If you recall, in 2012 and 2004, kwenzekale the xenophobic attack, racism is a xenophobic attack, and then our government behave like ambulances, like police, where they react when there is a crisis. We don't have leaders who are proactive enough to make sure that they resolve the crisis before the crisis take the country and make it to a disaster. Ningizimu Afrika njengamanje ngifuna ukunitshela iqiniso lonke neqiniso lodwa sempini asibambe iqini. Muthi ukhumbula ngifuna ukwenza isibonelo ngendaba ka 2021 la sasukuma khona salwa silonde udwa nje ukuthi an 82 years old man, doesn't matter what we have done on earth, that is an age of you coming out of jail, not an age of you going to jail. Worse, you are a freedom fighter. Worse, you are a former president of this country. And umuntu omnyama enomlando yasitshena ukuthi akekho noyedwa ngisho wamabhunu nomlungu lo akwashoshiswa ngumtshontsha lelizwe nomlungu owake waboshwa no declare wagcina seyixoliselene ngevideo yakhe sefa kodwa akakaza aboshwa akazashushiswa, because our courts, they are still 100% white. Our justice system is still 100% white. If you want to survive, you must be a puppet of the white people. Njengamanje salwa u2021 sithi ubaba uNxamalala akufanele uJacob Gedleyihleka Zuma inkonzo yasenkandla emanxabanxeba ukuthi ingazolala endlini emnyama. Ngazi ngayibali insuku ngathi zimbili insuku okwamamzoba umntwana eziphakathi ejele. Zingaki insuku okwamamzoba umntwana esejele. Lokho sithule thina siningizimu Afrika. Salwa sisebenzisa amalungelo ethu okuvoice out and our freedom of speech. And kwenzakalani sabona izinto esikaze siyibone instead of ukuthi uhulumeni wethu abone ukuthi our people are complaining and our government was quiet. That's why engaqhamuka khona sengumongameli ngoba izwe laliphoselwe vele lingenamnikazi. Ngalithatha ke mina ngaliqhuqubana. Ngeke ke yashi liboshelwe. Hawu ngakahlasho phela ha. Kodwa lokho akusho ngesibhubhu. Angisho isibhubhu. Inini enifisa ngibe isibhubhu. Emveni kwalokho leyo mpilo leyo yaba semlandweni omhlaba wonke. Saboshwa. Sahamba 3 years amacala. Now ngizoqeda unyaka ngomhla ka3 kuDisemba. Ngiwumuntu okhululekileyo. Emveni kwa3 years mina ngiboshiwe. Ngiboshelwe icala lingekho freedom of expression. Ukuthi ngangikhala nje ukuthi awu ngithi ayikhali ingane kababa uzuma uboshiwe. Emveni kwalokho ke eNingizimu Afrika sakhululeka ke. Saba ke lesimo sekusona. Njengamanje straight to the point. We have a crisis. We are in a battlefield. We are in a war. There is a time zone ebekiwe ka 20 years la ukuthi wonke ama foreigners akhona in this country. Yokuthi wonke laba foreigners njengoba sezele nje kadelwa efuna ukuba home eSouth Africa ocean indimba lapha abafroja ama home affairs befuna ukuba home eSouth Africa baze bagcina beyoba iuniversity le ekhonjani ko Nigeria. Une system ekhona yokuthi South Africa is the best country in the African continent. Lunggogodla. And ilona eli semhlane weAfrica 20 Africa yonke e3 BRICS. So into enzakala njengamanje ukuthi emveni kwaleso simo leso amaSomalia, amaPakistan namanye abantu bakwamanye amazwe bazela ingane bathandana nodadewethu bayabaxhaphaza badayisela izingane zethu ama-ships anama-drugs babulala ingane zethu babulala imndeni yethu ngokudayisela ama-sausage akhandwe ngenyama yenja namaphilisi adliwa izinja bese bedayisela ngisho amakhokha angama-fake because the aim is to kill our generation so that in 20 years to come this country will be led by a foreign person that was born in South Africa. And our government is quiet and our government does not see that. Makhulunywa ke ngalento ethiwa ukuvukela umbuso. This is what we are talking about. Ukuvukela umbuso ke lokho manje. Lento ke yona akukho kunya ngaphandle kwalokho ukuvukela umbuso. Njengoba sekukhuluma mina khuluma ukugcina ngithi Ningizimu Afrika yonkana, ngithi bantu abamnyama, ngithi Ningizimu Afrika yonkana regardless of your political gear, your political groupings, but you must come together and say one word. Ayikhala manje. Ziyakhala manje. Ngithi ziyakhala manje akwazi ukufela uyiviki neviki sifana singane usuku nosuku kufa ingane kufa abantu ngamakwalakwala izinja eyibulala abantu abamnyama in a generation that will lead our nation in the future. We can never tolerate that nonsense. Never on a Sunday. You can hate me, you can love me, but this is a truth. Iyona qiniso leli ziyakhala manje. Fusak. Ngithi wena kini. Ngihamba manje ngeSoweto. Ngifuna ukubuka lama Pakistani nalama Somalia anenolele ezifana nezami lezi mina ngifake ukuba nesitolo kahle hle. Ngifuna ukwabuka lama babulala ingane zethu kangaka. Ngifuna ukuattenda leli qala elise Cape Town njengamanje. Lana maSomalia akwazi ukupheka izinja ephekela abantu abamnyama. Uma lelizwe lizophendulwa kube yizwe lamanina, kube yizwe labantu abamnyama abazokwazi ukuthi sivume thina ukubulawa lelizwe libulawa abantu bokufika abazovukela umbuso wethu. Ngithi mina njengamanje Ningizimu Afrika ngeke ngivume lokho. Nginikela ngamiqobo mina, ngegazi lami uqobo mina. Kunoma ngavuba leyo nto. Angisoze angisoze mina ngungizwe oyimele ngungizwe neqiniso ngiyabona nje ukuthi ubaba umkholazi uyazama ngiyabona nje ubaba uTuli lo ifra ukuyani Sharon Top le yeGNU la kwaZulu behamba lapha uma nje kutholakale iwarehouse kutholakale ukudla okuexpire uqhamuka kwale mgodoyi eqhamuka ngaphandle kodwa manje kuyamasajwa. How do you massage crime? How do you massage criminals? Why you are not brutal enough to make sure that we trust you as our leaders? Why? Why are you wearing your own tie? Why? Hey, for second man, Zinja, nisafaka tie. Izolibona ufingane zethu, our generation. Why you are standing there, meticulous, as you are graduating next year? Why you are there as people, young people of South Africa who have just finished exams? You are wanting to go to the beach and swim, and after that you will be killed by the foreigners. Tech shop. Never. Never. Khuluma mina manje khuluma uqina. Ungizwe mina umlando womthuli. Niyangizwa? Hey! Zakhala manje. Dakiwe mina. I was denied all the commercial platforms, all the professional platforms to express the reality that is happening in this country. We are in a war. And this is a war. And this is a war began long time ago. This is a system that is created to destroy our own land because it's the best land in an African continent and it's the best land to replicate an African continent. So now our leaders are very, very weak. Weak leaders. Makamana sekumthuni mfowethu wakithi jabezitha. I am appealing you an urgent meeting with you. Urgent meeting. Baba Masimula. Ngicela meeting urgent now as a national commissioner. Ukuthi ninginikeze uhlu lokuthi ithini plan, and that plan must be proper, and that plan must be make sure akukho foreigner registered all la labo bantu ukuba nesiphaza is not a scarce skill. Where is the law in this country? If there are some people who are benefiting about these people being here with the legal spaza shops and with expired food, those people must come out. This is a moment now. Fusak is not a scarce skill. To own a spaza shop is not a scarce skill. Never. Ukandida is not a scarce skill. Sidinga odokotela nonjiniyela thina bazosikhadela umgwaqo nethizeni bakhadi itetamo. Those are the scarce skills that we may not have. But in the 10 years of democracy, to own a spaza shop is a scarce skill. For them to be employed, that is right. Not to be in charge of us, never. Ziyakhala manje. Ababuyele bangubo. Beyofundiswa onipho. Uma bebuye bezogcina imithetho. Belandele imithetho elelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Mabehlulwa yilokho seyiphosela. Ujalo nje. Bese ngena kulomfana lo ophethe ugesi. Ubani igama lo minister lona? uRamahoba. Athi uRamahoba. Lo hleka azaphalaze. Ikhona lo yahleka mina. Uhleka azaphalaze lapha encinela kumongameli. uRamahoba. Ramahoba. You're the Minister of Electricity. A job well done. Ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi umongameli, okay, the credit goes straight to Cyril and yourself. Ukuthi nikwazile ukuhlangana nenza ugesi awucha. Ayi. Namanje we are still traumatized. Now we are traumatized that the gas is here. The trauma that we no gas it still was a trauma. Now trauma is that why it gets today is here, and the day before trauma that was no case. Now trauma is there is the case. Now you can't have a power not to communicate proper with a community of South Africa. Then you come out with a deadline. No way. How? Come to 2024 uyafalwa ukuregister hey silikhune kabi thina siyasetshenzwa silikhune kabi thina akuyona impasheni lena akuyona abafundi parcel lawo iwona siwanqala fast siyayithi awufuna namanje manje so athatha bakonkozela bese beflatele silikhune kabi siyamasajwa thina ngeke uyineke leyo khoto wena maoba noma ngamba ekhona noma ngicebezela mina akusho into lokho wena maoba make sure ukuthi you extend the date with immediate effect to police musane ukuze senzele ubuqili nizos reintroduce load shedding in a new format. If you want to reintroduce the new load shedding, just introduce the load shedding. But if you are going to reintroduce the load shedding in a new format, we are seeing you, see we are watching. You won't succeed. Never. How? So to guess it was on manual manje ungabhalisile nge-24. Kore man. Malini. Uregister kwamina ngihlela bangazi lutho ngizwe ukuthi usukhama ukuthi usukhathela ayike communication with the department okuyo noma sile budget noma kwehlisele budget shona phela sikhulume ulutho on your behalf kodwa ko case la umuntu uzova lo case ngomhla 24 ngoba engenalo ikhadi elisha akuchazwe kahle nje ayabona ukuba kuthiwa uthi umhla ka24 February ayingabe siyezwa sibusy aba exams sibusy uDecember khayinza nje ugesi sibusy siyohlukanisa unyaka sibusy busy with our own fucking life busy while we are busy trying to dribble us while we know that we are not dribbleable yakhala manje amakhosi awazo no emakhosini akhonkosi yangixosha kwazo ngacacisa lokho phela ngicacisa ukuthi einkulumeni zami engazenzayo undene namakhosi ngangeluleka alikho izwe lengalulekwa umuntu alikho izwe lengalabanikazi alikho manje ngabafuna abanikazi nifuna wona ama grant lawo enothola kuhulumeni shonini niyekweke ulungile shonini ayi ulungile sithole grant kuhulumeni bese emveni kwalokho sihlalele asifune ukuyalwa asifune isaluleko kodwa umlando yakuphikisa lokho ilembe amanamba lokhale ePoland umehlezi kamenzi uthola abafazi banomkapi bade kulo behlezi emlovini bethe ngakubusa kwabankosi nyanga nezanothezeka kwathi kugoqa indlovukazi uNandi yavala yonke into ithi akume yonke into ikhalela unina wasisilo undlovukazi uNandi yingakho ukuthi umuntu mayesekhale kwaze weqa thiwa udinda esikaNandi kwaqala lapho leso sisho namanje ke leyo mpileyo yokufa kwabantu emveni kwakuhamba kweNdlovukazi uNandi nokulamba kwabantu starvation nokungalinywa nokungahlatshwa kwenkomo kwaphela ukudla emasimini kwaphela ukudla engqolobaneni kwaphela ukudla ngisho kuyisangcobe anazo ukuthi insangcobe nani namadada yini yabe ngiyabuza Teksuka lapho wafika ugana lapho kanothathe wayidela thema ifika wathi bayethe ngasithe wena kandaba wathi nce uvusa amehlo ubona izinyembezi ezingamathandala ezimezisa isizwe sokandaba bafotshama akwavela lutho bafosenza ngakhona akwavela lutho awungenza ukufa kwakhe kungafani kwabanye wakhe ungayiphi insimbi asukuma ilembe ukhona zonke ikhusuku asukuma ilembe thembe sukuma noba nokhonto umkhonto wakhe wathi awuhadla mina kababa bethi bawugwaza ukhalo kanodade kanti uzokhahla kubi ilembe lathi hayi beningangivuse ngani kuze kufike umfoko dade eqhamuka le ude beningangivuse ngani uthi ngivusa amehlo ngibuke lezi nyembe zasingamathatala ukhala kanodade womfukazana uma amakhosi engafuni ngoluleko abantu kazana abantu abadelelekileyo awasho ngoba qinisile mina ngamakhosi ahlala kwaShembe ngenguhoxise lokho ahlala kwaShembe vele azalande ngisho omkabo isibusisa sizuze kwaShembe asithola asibona nini siyasebenza angisoza ngakushintsha lokho kodwa kwahlonipha yabahlonipha kodwa ukuthi amakhosi awaye enkonzweni ayokhulekela izizwe zawo into enhle kodwa ukuthi ahlale khona anethezeke bese efuna ukukhulekelwa khona uthola ukuthi inkosi ayikho mhlawumbe ayiveli ma umuntu eqhamuka naye ezoyikhonzela ngesingaye bese bona inkosi bese guqa sekuyicala ukuguqa inkosi phezulu kwesizwe senye inkosi lo nkosi lokhu ihleli nakusazi uyaguqa nakusazi uyaguqa icala lelo mshalo ngakusho ke lokho namakhosi lawa angathethe macala nangalungisa izimo zomhlaba ayilwele apoliticized ngoba mina ngisho ukusho kwami lo baba uthi uqeqela iphalishi engisanganela wayengisanganela lo baba angimazi ngiqala ngisho ukumbona ngizwe sengizwa nje ngo3 seconds ethi uqeqela iphalishi igama laloya baba ngithi mina ubani lo umbalo uyodela uqeqela iphalishi ngamkhuza ngalento ukuthi irong ubani igama lakhe ungangiphathi ene ungangiphathi kuthi ufika no blackmail abawu10 ma kunomcimbi base bethi uqoqela iphalishi kungenzeka nje mhlamba kwalazi ushole inja e3 seconds emveni kwalokho isuka lapho izomosha umcimbi wesilo wadubuza ngafika lapha e-airport sizohlonipha ilembe mangathiwa right now asiye kuma CCTV cameras in the history of airport endala akekho umuntu usokavunula okudlula mina kule airport endala from the age of 16 years mina iziyathuthi airport ngihamba iphesheya mina ngihlala 2 years ngifikele la eThekwini ngiqala ukubona amabhilidi akhiwo kwamanye nezinkanye eziphansi lokuthiwa ugesi ngiqala ngaku ukubona Shembe ngahlala 2 years emva kwalokho ngihamba iphesheya ngihamba i-under age la airport isila imini beqiphe airport elwela ngisho imqhele elwela usithu sethu akekho umuntu omele uZulu njengami noyimpiliso kaZulu njengami kodwa kwazi ukusuka abantu abafana no3 seconds abantu aba-actayo aba-actor abaqamba manga qambele ngisile sidala manga abazenza inyanga bengezona abazenza oprofessor bengebona ama-clown nje ay-actelayo bese bona bezokwakhanda i-content umdlalo ngento engithilona eqiniso mina ngidlali mina ngibheka iqiniso mina bese konwazi kahle lento lapha nakwaya riqoqa exhaphaza unokuqela iphalishi exhaphaza laba abanye abayizinduna bafaka impondo lapha kwazi kuyosela nje behlanganiswe ndawonye bayashutha abazi ukuthi bayasebenza u3 seconds la bahola khona la online baqhashazwa kusetshenziswa igama lami ngoba o3 second ziyimbuzane ezithanda ukukhanya kodwa hayi ngenhloso yokuzobuza ukuthi ukhanya kanjani baze basondele ekukhanyeni ngenhloso yokucisha. Ngifuna nibuke ubuthakathi eniyibo kulelizwe. Ngimhlonipha ngabo 3 second ngoba akaphaphile nje ngalezi ezinye inyanga eziphaphe kwaze kweqa ezikhanda amabhilidi angekho. Ngiyamhlonipha ngalokho kodwa ngokuthi naye lo mjovo sumngene ujova isinene sodwa useze wamngena lo mjovo lo okufuna ukubukwa lenja le u3 second umgodoyi u3 second uwe lo engiphaphela lapha e-airport. Mina ngifikile e-airport akaze ngixoshwe umuntu, akaze ngixoshwe Silo, akaze ngixoshwe Ndunankulu kwaZulu, akaze ngixoshwe umuntu. Imbono yami kohlezi kuyimbono yami nabantwana basedlunkulu ngangihleli nabo kwenzeka yonke into. Kodwa these kuphelile base bekhanda izitori, bekhanda icash. O3 second abantu becash. Ngaze ngamtshela mina ngifonela ukuthi mina ngizokudabula ngempama nambombo wanyawo. Ngizokudabula ngempama nje. Ngoba uyangiphaphela. Uthena uphethe amakhosi, uphethe isilesdala, nalesi sisho usiphethe. Iqamba ahlaza manga. Utakiwe wena 3 second. Wena magwisi kwahlela wena. Uyikhohlela, uyithimsana izikhohlela. Uhlala ugwinye ikhohlela usuku nosuku nje. Akaze ngibone mina nomphethe ishu nemuzi ithishi. Angilonanga lobu bunuko yibo mina nomgodoyi. Angijwayele nje kabi mina. Mina lalela la ungizomlanda umthuni into edala yafa. Ayisabe kufa ayisabe lutho. Futhi wena unyewe ngishinyanga nje uyinja nje. Uyinja nje. Ngiyakhuza ke. Asikwazi ukukhanda uZulu, siumela uZulu. Bese kuzophashelwa yini? Uzohlobo ngaphezulu komcimbi welembe. Udayisela uwe uphendula udayise ukhanda amahlaya emcimbini welembe. Umlando omkhulu kangaka. Irongo le nto leyo. Amakhosi asenhlukulu ngahlonipha kabi mina. Ngizalwa khona ebukhosini mina. Ngiyofela khona ebukhosini futhi. Mina ithula balami mina sengathi. Ziyakhala manje. Yabona njengamanje kanza kwethu ngifuna ukuyena nje singiphetha uncoma la kuMaskandi. Umhlaba wami lo enguphethe nomuzi wami engayikhandela wona. Ngaphambi ngene kuMaskandi nje awake ngicome bakwethu. Engicome isinqumo esihle senzeke eSABC kwaxoshwa uSibonga Ingcobo. uSibonga Ingcobo wayihlangene ngqo noBonga Mpanza noNada leyegoli ukubhidliza into ephilayo. Kwaxoshwa thina. Ube sasingabantu ababuthaka nje umuntu wayezoyibulala. Kodwa kuzange kuphumelela konke lokho. Yahluleka imgodoyi. Salamba, sahlupheka. Mhlawumbe imali engiyikoletwa uSABC mina ilinganisela kwi-1,000,000. Umdlalose esaxoshwa naye sebemkhokhela imali yakhe engapheka 500,000. Mina akaze bengikhokhela imali yami mina. Kunalokho bangichazela izitori ezibolile. Ngifuna ukuthi ngicacise lokho. Ngacasuka ngaba le depression, casukeni kwami emvelo kwalokho ngo-2020 kuvalwa izwe, mase kuvalwe izwe, emvelo kwalokho ngaboshwa ngo-2021 ngafocus emacaleni, mase ngifuna imali yami bona bazangikhokhela. Kodwa umdlalo sebamkhokhela. Akho ngibandele ngitshona eSABC mina. Bangidakela. Abanginike imali yami nje. Umkhokhela kanjani umdlalose, usandile umdlalose, ungangikhokhele mina. Bese lokuchaza. Khuluma uthuvi. Uthi no work no pay. Wayisebenza nini umdlalose? Ngoba we are talking about a contract here. We are talking about an unfair dismissal here. You must pay me. Give me my money. I want my money back. Mali ingane zami zinja. Wasiphatha kahle. Wasilalisa emahotela konokusho. Wasihlonipha ngamazinga ethu. Nalemvunulo kaBrenwood usibali imvunulo lenjalo leqoko ependizi. Sibali phezulu anikhuzeni. Manyala bala wenze usibali. ngiyayisola ukuthi ungibhukhela lana esentini manje isentini siyasoleka manje iyasoleka manje nosibala uvumbuka lapha usepende inzipho ayi angifuni ukusoleka kanye nosibala ayi kuyasoleka manje kuyasoleka ayi kuyasoleka hayi ngeke hayi wala Denver manje mina ngeke ngejipa hostel manje emsimhlophe phansi ngesentini phansi hayi hayi sayikholelwa hayi uphathane luphathana kahle uNkulunkulu wami osibili bebekhona uGajena vala umcimbi kwabe sold out samukeleka kahle kwayinto enhle well done well done bonge futhi ukuthi kuqophe umlando emlandweni kaMaskandi ngoba I want to say this on record umthandeni uqophe umlando ongaziqoshwe umuntu emlandweni kaMaskandi uye ukuhlanganisa imiliyoni ngama-hour ambalo ayikhiphile khuluma mina ngendondo ayiwinileyo yagcina ngisho ku-gospel yagcina uSifiso Ncwane lo wayenemini Esther yagcina ngaye kwaMaskandi is the first historical lokunjana ini award iwine engekho njalo ula eThekwini and ukuphi njalo eThekwini ukwi all white party efika okwesibili emcimbini ohlelwe undodana wami uMgodi uKhosani Pongosa into eyenzekileke ukuthi ngifuna ukumshayela ehlombe umthandeni akwendele bani ukushaya amahit unyaka nonyaka kulandelana ungebig nazi into enkulu leyo umdlalo oyinsizwa kuba umdlalo oyinsizwa ukuthi iqinise kube iqiniso ngoba ngelinye ilanga siyohamba emhlabeni abantu basala bekhuluma kodwa ngoba sisezweni lomona nelokuphesha sohlala siphesha njalo yingakho mina mayise kahle ngimncoma ngithi wenze kahle mayibhedile ubhedile ayikhale mavrut man lapha amanyala lawo finish azama ngonyaka ozayo awumunga ngithuka uthini uthuka abazali baba kunendaba nje amanyala lawo ipentli nje abafana besho njalo bethi ngithola ithenda yomjolo ngabe izinto siyasenzela ngifuna ukuqeda uphele nya ofana labo beshaya into enje osminof beshaya into enje kahleni bafana bakithi amadlo umuntu awadliwa kwaso kahleni bafana bakithi onke encane beshaya kanje kuze kuvuka idwehla zabo izobashaya ispin kick ngizwe umfazi ayipheke umpholi sorry into encane nxa yayisampwethe ayipholi ingozwe umfazi akushaya ngephethe lapho hayi siyalo isikhukhukazi sikade encane siyalo ayasikhukhukazi my hayi sabela savuneliswa kwakhe futhi kwathi angihlanze silemvunelo yakwaZulu ukudlalwa ngayo kanje athi mlomo kababa kuba wonakele namanje ngiyahleba nje leyo mpushi yaphusha kule nkulumo hayi my tencane kodwa nebhatho likhande wena lungisa ndoda umpazelana uhlange lwazi ungaqhamuki nawe into encane uzozenza impela nje umunye ungiyiswiti yalo lapha bese ngathi awuqhenyelwa awuvela abahlaba vele uthi siyasha hayi wesi njengoba ungaphuzi nje washo utshwala bakho wena ungazasibeka wawuthi my ngisancoma ke kunjalo ngani zakwethu sengiyaphetha ngiphinde ngincome kakhulu ulo undodana undodana ngaphambi ngincoma ndodana ngicela ukukhalisa ulo qiniseko ngokuthi ucashwe namaphoyisa umgunyati laba awumgunyati lamaphoyisa ayeke amaphoyisa ngathatha ifoni yomuntu ahambe ubhuqoqolo lamaphoyisa lapha uthe egoli ke vele ke nje yonke into yenzeka siyancoma ayiqhawe yonke into yenzeka egoli hayi yenzeka hayi wavela kokuvela yonke kulungeleke aqala ukwenza aqale ngawo isiqiniseko mfowethu unxese sonke sisoka khona kuleso simo siyasazi lento ukuputshuzwa njenge Colgate hey okuyiqobo iColgate putshu ayiyaputshwa iColgate akuhlala kuputshwa bonke abantu bayaputshwa ngiyancoma kakhulu ke mfowethu ukuthi ube nesibindi sokwazi ukuthi sikubone phuma endlini eminyama ube nathi sabonga kakhulu naku eMthonga mfowethu uMasikandi usesemaklabini ayike hayi niyenda khona lapha manje kuhle lokho bese lapha ngiya kundodana hayi ngiyavala la ngundodana njengomongameli wamabhinqa eNingizimu Afrika kumele iqiniso ngilemele libhlungu noma libaba ngishayiwe noma ngashayiwe uma ngabe emlandweni welokhunjana weOlohayiti umthandeni esefike kabili ayikho into njengomuntu waqalekisa impi yabo bobabili ngoba ngidinga igazi phakathi kwalabo bantu angidinga igazi kubalandeli bangakhonkotha begcine befika khona la thona khona abantu bayithandela amadata nama-like beyikhonkothe befika la bathanda khona kodwa mina njengomnikazi wabantu abaqhathayo ngiyacela ukuthi kufinyelele lokhu ekuthenini emlandweni kaMasikandi lento iconfirmeke ukuthi ngiyinikezele isiqalekiso ukuze igeneration entsha ikwazi ukuthatha umkhonto igiye ngiyacela ngamza kwethu ngomoya muhle nje kungalokho kungosi ngabo akekho umuntu oshada iviki neviki oshada unyaka nonyaka nami ngigano kangaka nje kodwa hayi unyaka nonyaka ngiyeqisa hlala kungawe ho oyibhekisisa ngamanje engimile ngithi nganza kwethu uma Mthandeni fokaManqele Khuzani fokaMpunguzi njoba ummeme iminyaka emibili umthandeni wafika ngithi nawe Mthandeni ayikho into engangijabulisa ukuthi kweminye imicimbi oyihlelayo noma esemdletsheni yonyaka ngimbone undodana wami efika ezogiya ethi akubanjwe ulayini esibamba ulayini siyophaka emdletsheni kuyongijabulisa kakhulu lokho ukubona kwenzeka ngoba nawe enhlizweni yakho uxolile noma ungaxolile kodwa wazile ukuthi ukumele ubudoda ulumele futhi iqiniso leindustry wa-attenda kaze kwakabili waphathwa kahle futhi wancoma ukuthi awukho umcimbi ophathwa kwahle kuMothekwini owedlula owe-all white party ngakho ke mina ngesingami nje as the president of the Bhinqa Nation ngithi Mthandeni fokaManqele Simphiwe fokaMasondo ngiyacela ukuthi nikubukisise lokho ngiyamcela uKhuzani abe khona kanye noBig Zulu Khuzani uBig Zulu babe khona emdletsheni mase kwenziwa umcimbi wokwendulela unyaka bengicela lokho sizokube umsizo ukuthi iqiniso beyiqiniso nibe njengami bantwana bami ngenizala nginikhulisile ngisibonelo kini nilimele iqiniso libhlungu ngisuke ngiyemcimbi nandodana nami nje engena inhlambuluko nami kusuke ngihuthu labo namanje nje ngilalela i-album yakhe amuze undodana ukuthi wehlisile indabeni zabantu wehlisile ezindweni ezibhedayo wavele wazocula ngembongolo abona wacula ngembongolo ingane yami lapha yacula ngaensha lapha ingoma yadla abantu ihit le ngoma emnandi ingoma lethi amantombazane imnandi ingoma lena ethi lokho njana ithi ngoma lena le ngoma ethi shini ngoma imbongolo line ayi amnandi kakhulu line phela umnandi kakhulu nezwi lakhe nje kuyasho ukuthi uyinika isikhathi sokukhwehlela waphuza ibenelina wayilinde indabeni angaxoxa indaba wasuka lapho wayistudio a job well done Khuzani Mpongose ngiyancoma kakhulu khiphe i-album esikhumbuze ekuthenini wawubani before ube lokhuzani besingamfuni ubenyanyisa ulehlisileke izinga lokwenyanyisa kuloko uhlele lokho well done into enhle yanconywa